This is new project BlockDag, and as you can see, 1 month ago I invested on this project $100. After some time I understood that this project is best project of this year. There is beautiful quality and this project powered by a lot of projects. So after 2 weeks I invested $100 more, and now I will show you why. As you can see, I bought almost 28,000 BlockDag, and now the current price is 1 cent per 1 BlockDag. And now we can easily calculate that I already earned $300 because current price is 1 cent, and after 3 or 4 days next price will be a little bit more. So we can again calculate that I will earn $400, and like that will be 45 stages. After that this coin will launch, and as you can see, when this coin will launch his price will be 5 cents. So from $200 what I invested I will earn $1,400. That's why I invested on this project my real money. So I invested on this project half a month ago when was fast number 14, and after 2 weeks we have fast number 18. So every stage takes around 3 or 4 days. So now we can easily calculate when will be launch of this project. Together it will take around 3 months. So after 3 months from $200 I will earn $1,400, and as you can see, after launch this coin can go to the moon. So just imagine if one BlockDag will cost $1, I will earn $27,000. So guys, the link on this project will be under this video. After that I advise you click on wiki, and here you can read all information about this project. After that, if you're sure that you want to invest your money, just click on this button buy, then click connect wallet and choose what wallet you want to connect. I will connect MetaMask. Then as you can see already on my account. If you want to invest on this project, just choose network and then choose how much money you want to invest. Also this coin is the same like Kaspa, so we can easily earn much more money. And of course on the future I will show you my results, so subscribe on my channel.